this is the finished product of the Assassin's Creed Hidden Blade. I still need to strap this on, but so it looks like inside. So it looks like. I'm going to cover up those and find out a way to shoot the blade, but it would strap on there, and then when you want to shoot it, you go. So there's a button there from the Hot Wheels thing. To put it back on, you just push the blade right back in. I have it pointing out a bit so you can grip it and push it in, but yeah, that's technically it. And I'll see you later. Wait, one more thing. It comes out pretty quick, so it can hurt. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so hope you like it. And